In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a 301 redirect in Wix. This is an important step to ensure that your website visitors get seamlessly redirected from an old URL to a new one without encountering any issues. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, to begin the process, you need to navigate to the Wix dashboard. You can do this by heading to the Setup section of your Wix account. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the option that says Site and Mobile App. This section is pivotal as it allows you to configure various aspects of your site and connect any mobile app features, making it a hub for customizing how your site performs and appears. Now, the next step is to find SEO and Geo. Click on it. This area is essential for managing your site's search engine optimization and geographical settings. What you do here impacts how your site ranks on search engines and how it's perceived by visitors from different locations. Within the SEO and Geo section, you will see an option labeled Go to URL Redirect Manager. This is where the magic of redirecting happens. By selecting this, you gain access to the tools necessary for managing where your old paths on the site will redirect to new paths, ensuring a smooth transition that doesn't confuse your audience or harm your SEO rankings. Next, look for the button that says New Redirect and click on it. By creating a new redirect, you set the stage for transferring visitors from an outdated location on your site to a new, desired destination. Now, you need to enter the old URL that you want to redirect from. Simply type in the part of the URL after your domain, such as old URL. This is crucial because it tells Wix precisely which page's traffic needs to be redirected elsewhere. After entering the old URL, provide the new URL you want your visitors to be sent to. Underneath where you entered the old URL, type new URL. By doing this, you specify the new destination page that should open every time someone tries accessing the old address. Once you have checked and confirmed that you have correctly entered both URLs, it's time to save your work. Locate the Save button and click on it to ensure your redirect changes take effect. Saving your settings is a critical step as it confirms that Wix will now handle your web traffic according to the new redirection rules. That's it. You've just successfully set up a 301 redirect on your Wix site. By completing this process, you help maintain a smooth user experience and preserve your website's SEO health. If you have multiple URLs that need redirecting, you can repeat these steps for each one. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out more tutorials to enhance your website's functionality and performance.